Hey folks, Robbie Payne with Chrome Unboxed, and we want to take a quick look at the pen loop that Google has provided for the Pixelbook. Ours actually just came in the mail yesterday, and we wanted to get this on camera because it's been a bit of a mixed bag as far as people's reaction to this thing. Now, granted, it's a free accessory that Google's provided. All you have to do is own a Pixelbook, give them your serial number, and they'll send this to you. They don't provide you with any tracking or even an email to tell you that it's actually on its way. It just started showing up yesterday for a lot of people. So similarly, ours showed up as well. So like we do around here, we wanted to get this on camera. So yeah, pretty minimalistic, Google, and it's showing it put it on the left side. So I don't know if that really matters. There's no instructions. A little bit of 3M tape here. And what we're seeing from other users is an issue with the thing being actually too thick and making the Pixelbook a little bit wobbly. So I'm going to go against their instructions and go over here on this side with it. So since you've got the raised feet on both ends, presumably this would be okay. So there is a little bit of a lip there. I obviously don't want to get, as you can see kind of where that stitch is. And it just sticks on. Hopefully, since it's 3M, it won't leave any goop behind. And it's nice. I mean, it feels kind of leather or leatherish. Aesthetically looks okay. Yeah, but look at that. I mean, it creates a pretty significant wobble. And there's nothing else in here saying, hey, don't put this in a certain spot. I mean, that looks pretty much dead on to where it should be. Perhaps as it wears in, maybe. Yeah. So maybe once it wears in and kind of loosens up just a little bit, like this part needs to kind of hinge up a little bit. So we'll give it a few days and see. But we just wanted to show you kind of how this is going to work. Basically, there's a loop. You put your pen in it. And so now your pen's kind of attached to the Pixelbook in an official Google way. You know, take it for what it's worth. It kind of feels like this is something they should have figured out with a magnetic thing or some other device to keep your pen in, or maybe, you know, provide an official case from Google that has a place to put your pen. I don't know. This feels a little bolted on, but it kind of works and it kind of does its job. So we wanted to show you that and show you that, you know, ultimately once it works in, it probably won't wobble too much. So it kind of gets the job done. So that's it. Until next time, we'll see you.